In today's video, we are going to share the simple lifestyle changes that will help lose belly fat. Abdominal fat, also termed visceral fat, is the fat that is stored deep beneath the muscle in the belly, around organs such as the liver, intestines, and stomach. Maintaining a trim waistline will benefit you in more ways than one. It can help you live longer by reducing the chances of getting heart disease, diabetes, and, in some cases, even cancer. To lose excess fat, you don't need to follow a rigorous diet plan. Just make some small yet significant lifestyle changes, said Lavleen Kaur, a dietitian. Consume seasonal vegetables. Some vegetables such as spinach, kale, and cabbage are not only fiber-rich but also contain iron, calcium, and vitamin K, which help melt belly fat. Carrots, radish, peas, French beans are a few other vegetables you should include in your meals. You can eat the vegetables raw, as salads, or juice them. However, store-bought juices are high in sugar and deficient in fiber, which can increase calorie consumption and even lead to weight gain. So, always have juices that are made at home. They are healthy and sugar-free. Plan your mid-snacks rather than dieting. Eating a healthy snack in between meals will help satisfy your hunger and you will also consume some nutrients. On the other hand, snacking all day, especially on foods with low nutritional value, may lead to overeating. Remember to choose a snack that is protein, fat, or fiber to satisfy your hunger and get energy. Fruits are the best morning snack as they contain micronutrients and iron, which not only acts as an energy booster but also helps reduce bloating. Another great option is dry fruits, as they are low in calories and extremely filling. Trust your gut instinct. Having a healthy gut health is crucial because it lowers digestive disorders. Furthermore, gut bacteria may also influence your weight by altering how certain foods are absorbed in the body. Having more probiotic items such as homemade pickles, chutneys, yogurt, kimchi, and so on, is one of the best strategies to promote good bacteria and healthy gut health. Along with probiotics, your body also needs an adequate amount of vitamin D, a deficiency of which leads to constipation, which can further increase toxicity in the body and lead to belly fat. Exercise regularly. Exercises such as weight training and cardiovascular activity will help you lose fat all over your body. Even aerobic exercises, such as walking, running, and swimming, can help you lose a lot of belly fat. Studies also demonstrate that exercise is important not just for belly fat reduction but also for weight maintenance, as stopping exercising after a long period of doing so will result in a gain in belly fat. Therefore, ensure you follow a consistent workout routine, even if it's just for 15-30 minutes regularly. If you want to see more such fitness and health tips, then subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.